Here I've got Apple iPhone 12 Pro, and let me show you how to customize AirDrop sound on the following device. So at first, just open the settings, then find and select Sounds and Haptics. Go a bit lower and here you will notice AirDrop. So just click on it and now you can customize the sound. So let me show you just some of them. This is the default one. And let me pick, for example, Bloom. Let's go back, and that's it. As you can see, your AirDrop sound has been changed. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.